You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I want to teach you how to play Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. Sorry, I laugh a little bit when I play this song or songs like this. I've never had a drop of alcohol in my life, but I still love the music, so I think it's funny. So anyway, I want to teach you how to play this song. So let's get right into it. Oh, real quick, if you like my videos, please subscribe. I really appreciate everyone who has, and all of you guys that will in the future, I really appreciate it. So, and also request songs that, in the comments that you would like me to teach next. So this song is in standard tuning and there's no capo, which is pretty sweet. So I'm going to show you how to play the intro part. I'm not going to teach you how to play the lead, but I am going to show you, to play the solo. I will in another video if you guys would like. Let me know in the comments. But this song is going to be pretty simple. So if you don't want to play the intro, you don't have to. Like, I think people will recognize it because that's how it starts, and it's pretty distinct, but I think you'd be totally fine if you didn't want to play it. So I'm going to show you that real quick. I'm going to get close here. All right, so you're going to start out hitting the E string. All right, so I'm not hitting anything with this hand. You're just going to do open on the E string, 2 on the E string, and then open on the A. Okay, so it's, and then on the A string, and then you hit 2. Okay, so then you're going to hit 2, you're going to slide up to 4. So it's open, 2, open, slide, 2 to 4. Okay, so again, that's open on the E string, 2 on the E string, open on the A string, then you slide from 2 to 4 on the A string. And you can do this little, like, I don't know if you hear that, I'm doing a little like shake. You can see that. Okay, just kind of like that. You can kind of move it up and down. Okay. So then once you're up there, you're gonna slide it back down. But you gotta get the timing right. So make sure you listen to this. Try and play it with the song. Okay, so you're gonna go. Once you're up here on the 4th fret, then you're gonna go open. 2, 4, 2. Okay, so open. So you're just gonna slide from 2 to 4 to 2 in like one motion. Don't do it too fast because it's a little bit slower. So it's just like that. And then you're gonna do, so it's okay. Open 2, 4, 2. Open. Then you're gonna go to hammer. You know how to hammer, so you're going to stay on these 2 strings the whole time you're doing the intro. So now that you're back on 2, you're going to do 2, hammer, hammer. I think it sounds better if you're plucking the A string still. Okay. And then once you're here, I'm hammering with my ring finger, you're going to slide down. So it's, and then open. You're gonna go on the E string. I don't know why I do it with my middle finger, but you're gonna do. You could do it with any finger really. I do it with my middle finger, and you're gonna go from. You're just gonna slide from 4 to 5. So on the E string, just like that. Dun. All right. Dun. And then you're gonna go open. So open hammer on the E string still, and then you hammer on the 2nd fret, and then you're gonna pluck the A string open. And then this is where you're going to start the chords. You're going to go to A chord. So I'm just going to walk you through that so you can kind of watch it real quick. Wait, sorry, I skipped that. I did that part wrong. So then the chords that you're going to do, are you're going to do A. A is going to be the vast majority of the song. All right, you're going to do A. You're also going to do B minor. I'm sure you can hear how the song already goes, right? And then you're going to go to D, B minor, A. Those are, I mean, it's just, so really you just need to know A, B minor, and D. From the tabs I've seen, you can throw an E in. I don't think it makes a ton of sense. I don't think it like lines up quite right to do it, so I don't play it with that. But you absolutely can try to do that. So the way that the song goes is after you play that part, after you play the intro, you're going to start strumming the A. So notice that's the strumming. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So then when you're on the B minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Then you go to D, up, down, B minor, down, up, down, and then A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. That's the strumming for the whole thing. Now, there's one thing that you can do that is how he plays it more, but you don't have to. You can skip this. So one thing to keep in mind with guitar, if you're newer, you're kind of struggling with some stuff, or you're having a hard time switching, sometimes you don't have to do it exactly the way that they will, or that they do, and people don't notice. It still sounds great. They just add in like little flair stuff, so you don't have to do that, all right? So the way you're going to do is, so it's A. Let's see here. So the song starts with, okay, A. Used to spend my nights down in the barroom. And so barroom, you go to B minor. Okay, then you go to D. Liquor was, and so it's after was, you go to B minor again. The only love I'd known. So you're in here, you're in A. Now this is where you can do the switch. I think it sounds better, but you don't have to. So you can do A, D, A. So it's going to go. Used to spend my nights out in the bar room. We're going to go to D. Liquor was the only love I'd known. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom. So that's B minor, A to B minor, and brought me back to D. From being, so you don't do D very long there, you go from D to B minor. Being too far gone, A, D, A. So you don't have to do that, but you can, okay? So, and then the chorus is going to be, it's the same. So, except for the only difference is in the chorus, you go, you're as smooth, you're on A. And you go, so you then you do the A, D, A. You're as smooth, D, A. It's Tennessee Whiskey, B minor. Okay, and you go to D. You're as sweet, B minor. And strawberry wine. Then you're gonna go to A, D, A, D, A. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. That should be easy to remember. You switch to B there, B minor, because you're going to brandy. Brandy. And honey, I stay stoned. D. On your love, B minor, all the time. A, D, A. Okay, and you're gonna start over. So you can, when you're switching verses, and again, you don't have to do this. No, like unless someone really knows the song well, they're not gonna notice. So when you're going to the A again, so you can do, you can pluck open on the E string, okay, and then push down with your pointer finger on the second fret on the E string, so you can go. That's too many plucks, but it's just. Then you're gonna hit open on the A string, and then you're gonna strum the rest of it like an A, just like the A chord. So it's. makes sense? That's the whole song. So again, there is a solo in here. I'm not going to teach it to you right now, but that's the whole song. So because there is no bridge, they just have a solo in it, and then it goes back to the chorus at the end. So there's just, you know, there's the A, D, and B minor, and you're going to switch back and forth between those. I think I helped you see how to do that. Excuse me. You're going to do that in the verses at the same spots, and at the chorus the same spots I showed you in there. So but yeah, that's how you play it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you like playing the song. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.